Check. Mga kabalen, papunta na tayo sa Game 3 of 6 ng ating Delta Cup. 2 games down. Nanalo po kaninang Mabalacat at kanina lang nanalo po ang isang team sa Pampanga. We will check that result later. But first, we're gonna bring you now the third game. It's Arayat versus Santa Rita. Arayat galing sa panalo. Ang Santa Rita naman galing sa talo. So, it's a contrasting situation. We need to consider one thing for Arayat. They are number 1 as far as rebounding is concerned. Let's see if they can dominate the boards. Whereas sa Santa Rita, naging problema nila is yung kanilang mga field goal shooting. They have a sour grape nung panda sa fourth quarter. Let's see kung makakabawi sila ngayon. So, without further ado, we're going to bring in a few minutes the starting lines for both teams. It's Arayat versus Caloguran Santa Rita. Starting fives on your screens, Marcelo, Pare, Canlas, Rodriguez, and Dalusong for Arayat. For Caloguran Santa Rita, Gilas, Cuenco, Ocampo, Manyalak, and Buwan. That buzzer sounds. That means we're about ready for the starting fives, and we shall take a short break, and then we will have this game in progress. Okay, we're moments away para umpisa ng ating third game. Nakalimutan ko sabihin sa ating broadcast yung ating previous encounter. Nanalo po ang Guagua laban sa Masanto. Later on, I'll bring you the final score for that. But for the meantime, match at hand, game 3 of 6. We're now on halfway points sa ating Delta Cup here. Arayat versus Santa Ana. Of course, we're live through the Pampanga Information Office. And of course, we're also live at Sinag Liga Asia. Alright. Our referees, of course, nandito pa rin ang ating crew chief na si Michael Calutera. Of course, yung second referee natin ay si Egay Pataweg. Alright, we're ready to jump. First quarter. Initial possession for the Black Shirts of Santa Rita. They're coming from a loss, kagaya sinabi ko kanina. And then for the Santa Rita, they're coming for a win. Let's see if they continue to stride. De Ocampos, one of the starting lineups. The hook shot. Wala. Put back. Ayaw pa rin. Para sa Santa Rita. We're both live in Sinag Liga Asia, and also we're also live at the Facebook page of Pampanga Information Office, no less than our governor, Dennis Delta Pineda. He's now preparing for the national finals this Saturday. So abangan niyo po ang schedule natin ng Delta Cup. However, meron tayong whistle on the backcourt. Front court rather. Meron tayong foul. Tatawagan kay number 5 ng Arayat. 2 free throws will be given for Santa Rita. First is good. One more free throw for him. And thank you for the 266 people watching right now in this Sunday afternoon of basketball. Alright now, fourth corner offense. Rodriguez, inside pass. And Balogsong stumbles upon as a push will be given against Gilas, his first personal. Take a look at this in slow-mo. On this particular incursion, there's a push. Very, very clear on that replay. The Lusong on the right wing. Attacks using his left, kick out. 3-point shot on its way. A failure. Fierce battle for the rebound. Canlas saves it to his teammate who attacks the rim. Nothing. Manyarak galloping down court, drops it up to his teammate. They're going to slow down. Great transition defense by Arayat. And they throw the ball away. Stolen. And the Lusong's conversion. John Henley Oro says, may laro po ba sa Sasmuan? Let's see. We'll check the final 3 games for today. And hopefully Sasmuan is one of them, huh? Because yesterday Sasmuan did not play. So as I've talked to our Commissioner Leo Isaac, all the teams that are participated will play this weekend. Hopefully later, meron. As we see Marcelo's home run. Now Arayat with a back-to-back baskets. Almost 2 minutes gone by in the first quarter. Manyalak. Here's a 3 ball from the corner. Oh yeah, it's in. That's jersey number 2 for Arayat who hit that basket. 5-4, Caluguran Santa Rita. Corner flip. It's good. Number 9 player hitting the 3. 7-5. Arayat. Corner 3. That time miss. Rebound. Whitechurch has it. Bring up the ball. Almost lost. Alley-oop play. No. It will not happen. It will not happen. He draws a foul. It will be 2 shots now. Foul is on number 18 of Arayat. Take a look at this in replay. Potential alley-oop play did not materialize. So he goes under and he was fouled. Hello to Jason Dump. Also watching right now on our live stream. It is now tied at 7 apiece. Both free throws made by Santa Rita, courtesy of Gilas. Starter step. Nice drive. Too strong that time. And a pushing foul by Rodriguez. Take a look. Gutsy drive by the white shirt. But there is a push by Rodriguez from behind. So he will, referee was caught him with a foul. Manyalak, left quarter court 3. Nope. Put back. Didn't get it. And here's Arayat on the 1. 3-on-4 fast break. Dalusong scores. Great body control by Dalusong. Inside incursion. Almost batted away. Nicely done. As number 29 puts it in for Santa Rita. They are within 2. That's Buwan. On the outside. Rodriguez drops it up. That's a push. It will be called against number 29. Buwan's first personal. Again, maya panapon kay kayo. Good afternoon. Pampanga fans here. My name is Ryan Paro doing the call. This is game 3 of 6 of our Delta Cup, headed by the Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And of course, we're live on both Pampanga Information Office and also Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia chaired by Waki Chan and our tournament commissioner, Leo Isaac. A split for number 7 of Arayat, that's Marcelo. The lead is 1 for Arayat, 10-9. Time remaining, 6 minutes 11. Shot clock reads at 14 seconds. Ball batted away. And Carla, the official score now is 10-9 in favor of Arayat. Missed shot. Offensive rebound, drop pass from the corner. Jump shot. Got it for Santa Rita. That's number 25 player who scored the basket for Santa Rita. That's Manyalak. Kirboa says shout out, of course. Thank you for watching. Drive inside. Gina, who had foul trouble last time out, still aggressive. And it is a foul given up by Gilas. That's his first. And this is the last foul that was given up by Gilas after the rebound. Yes, he yanked that ball away, but he was caught by the ref. Oh, hang time move. Beautiful drive by Pare. Santa Rita quickly on its driving swing play. The layup's no good. Rebound controlled by the White Shirts of Arayat. They're up by 1, 12-11. Time remaining, 5 minutes and 11 seconds. Hello to John Vincent Ponyo, the second, also watching. Inside incursion. Oh, that's too strong. Gina keeps it alive. Shot clock is a problem now. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Driving play blocked by Buwan. 1 point game for Arayat. Ocampo pushing the ball up court. Ocampo all the way, Jose. 13-12. Gian on the other end of the floor against 3 defenders. He almost scored the basket. Cuenco clears the board. Inside play. Nice pump fake, but too strong. Balisong. Here's the driving play. He was hacked. That's a hacking foul. Pare will go 2 shots. And Cuenco was called for that hacking foul. First timeout with the floor. Oh no, it's not timeout. It's 5 players for Santa Rita will be reporting from the bench to the court. And we have this last foul. Very, very obvious hacking foul there on Cuenco. It's a lane violation. 2 more free throws probably. It's 1 more free throw. So first is no good. Second is good. We're tied at 13. First deadlock. Lagunlan. Bad passing angle. Here's a fast break. And Pare scores off the break. They swing it around. And it will be black ball of Santa Rita Caloguran with about 13 seconds on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Here's Bernate missing a 3. 3:41 in the first quarter. Here's the attack. Almost made it. White Shirts keeping alive. Marcelo gives it up to the point guard. 9 to shoot. Here's the driving play. Layup is good. Converted by Canlas. The lead is back to 4 for Arayat. 3 minutes and 11 remaining in the first quarter. Missed shot there. And Arayat now with the possession, and they can increase the lead further, but this ball almost went to my table again. Ocampo will west, and another play for Santa Rita. The jersey number 28 will check in right now for added backcourt energy. That's the Demois. Inside, only 15 to shoot. Here's the attack, drops it up. The reverse block. Fierce battle for the loose there. The white shirt still has it. The shot clock is a problem. 5 seconds on the shot clock. They need to put it up. 3 ball. Banks it out. Fernando on the fast break. Hang time. Oh! On the other end of the floor, Marcelo. Swift retaliation. Oh, well, that's what you call one highlight after the other. We are just in the first quarter. Cross court. Approaching 2 minutes in the first quarter. 3-point shot, top of the key. Bullseye. Nice shooting by Santa Rita. Backcourt foul given up by Clemente. That will be his first personal. Substitutions on the floor now for Arayat. Pare checks in. Or checks out. Penalty situation in effect for Santa Rita. First free throw is no good for split. Gets it right back. Whiteshire still has it. 10 to shoot. And number 5, Pare was called for traveling. A minute and 41. First quarter action. Closely fought encounter once again. Oh, top of the key, all three. That's air ball. Arayat now on the attack. That's a problem. No. Play continues. I think there's a problem. I think that's not a period clock. That's a before match. They did not reset well. They did not reset well the clock. I knew this. I knew the scoreboard so much. Both teams scoring basket. That time is a 3-point play opportunity. Wow. Open court basketball in full display. Team ball scores the basket, and we're going to have a second look of that slow-mo to show you how spectacular Arayat has. After the scoring bench of Santa Rita, Arayat scored it back with this assist by Pare to the cutting team ball. And he did not complete the 3-point play at the offing, and he almost turned the ball over. Okay, we're now, see? So it's not a tenth of a second, so it's it's just before match time. 50 seconds to go in the first. All right, here is the drive. Here's the jump shot. No, rebound, white shirts. Here's Pare on the trail, up ahead, scores the basket. 35 ticks. 1 point. Arayat lead. Here's a bounce pass. Here's a double team. Driving play. One-handed. Rims out. Battle for the rebound. He still got it. Puts it up. No. Gule. Throws it up. Pare. Nice catch. Back pass. That's too much mustard off the hot dog. Team ball. Ganging aban. And it's going to be a held ball. Jump ball. Ball possession will stay with Arayat. 7 seconds to go. Gina. Long. 3 seconds. Got it! That's it. End of the first quarter. Alright, the score will be reset. It will be, ano ba score natin after the first half? Pero bago yan, pakita natin sa slow-mo. Hindi ko makita yung score sa taas eh. We'll bring you the first quarter score as we fix this particular scoreboard. Huwag mo natin ipakita direct dahil nagkaroon lang tayo ng scoring problem. But we'll be right back. I'll give you the exact score at the start of the second quarter. Back after this. Back to live action. 25-20 is the count. It is a 5-point lead so far for Arayat as we now commence the second quarter of action. My name is Wampal, coming to you live with the BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Continuing coverage of the Delta Cup as referee Michael Galotera signals an offensive foul, illegal pick against number 9 Lagunlad, or Guanlao rather. That's his first personal. And now Arayat brings down the basketball. Here's the driving play by Balisang. Oh, look at that gliding play. The Lusong with the basket. 7-point lead for Arayat. 30 seconds gone by into the second quarter. And that is a turnover. Arayat now with the basketball. Almost a foul there on that trap. Here's Gina inside, spins. In swing play, no. Timbol puts it back. No soak. And Santa Rita clears the board. Guanlao brings it down. The black shirt still within 7. Sidestep. The drop. No conversion on the part of the black shirts of Calooguran Santa Rita. And the ball's flowing down the floor with 2 men. It's going to be a jump ball. And the possession hour goes back to Arayat. 8 minutes and 51 remaining in the second quarter. It is a 7-point lead for Arayat. Shot clock now at 12 seconds. Gina right down the baseline. Goes back door. That's too strong. Broad, great defense. Now on offense, let's see if he can hit Patriot. Cross-court pass. 3-point shot, left quarter court. It goes over the backboard. (27-20). Interception and conversion. Five-point lead for Arayat. 2 minutes gone by in the second quarter. Up fake by Timbol. Gina with an inside incursion. (29-22). 7-point lead for Arayat. Guanlao misses from 3-point distance. Pitch. Sampang. Great play against 3 defenders, huh? Shot clock now at 9. The water. It's good. Right now with the ball. Shot clock now at 14. Here's the layup. A bit too short. There's going to be a touchdown. Baseline. Thwarted. Santa Rita. Oh, counter steal by the white shirts of Arayat. The lob to Timbol. Both teams are very quick and very agile on stopping those offensive patterns. But before anything else, it is a 5-point lead for Arayat. 31-26. We will have a ceasefire. 6 minutes and 38 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. At 5 puntos ang abante ng Arayat. Inbound po ng Arayat. Magandang reverse layup yan. Nakabuslo si Marcelo, 7-point game. 33-26, 6.5 minutes sa ating first half. Inside incursion, pinilit. Arayat on the one. He is on the Blake throwing motion. Tip in by Timbol. No. Put back inside the paint. Won't work. And the Black Shirts now have stolen that basketball. That's Calogurang Santa Rita. Here it comes. Hang time move didn't drop. He'd still get the ball back. Hindi na nakuha yung bola. He could have been free. Two team fouls for Calogurang Santa Rita. None so far for Arayat. Wrap around dribble. Ball intercepted. And we have a foul. Two players out for Santa Rita. 2 players in. Tend to shoot. That's a far away 3. Nothing. Rebound control by the Black Shirts. Another turnover. Here comes Arayat on the one. The spin. Outside sniping with that pink shoe. That shoe is lucky enough for Sampang to score 3. 10-point game. Here's a 3 from the corner. Rattles in. Kasagutan bawat kupunan sa pagtira ng 3. And we have a stoppage turnover. All right. We have timeout on the floor. 36-29, 4:52 remaining the second. The score is 36-29. Ang oras na alamin natin ay 4 minutes and 49 seconds. My name is Ryan Paro. Doing now game 3 of 6 ng ating Delta Cup. Lamang po ng 7 puntos ang Arayat at 3-ball conversion by Manyalak para sa Calogurang Santa Rita. Tapyas ang lamang sa 4. Again, mayapat ka panapong kay mga kabalen. Solo anchor for this afternoon or great block shot. Abang na abang. Let's see if direct makakapag-replay tayo doon sa magandang blanka na yun. Okay, it won't happen. We'll have that later. 10 seconds to shoot for the white shirts. And a miss. Another foul. All right, 2 free throws now for Arayat. With 4 minutes and 12 remaining. Yung forma niya parang Zach Randolph, no? Si Rodriguez. 4 more. And yes, pumasok ang pangalawang free throw. The lead is 4, 36-32. 4 minutes remaining. Malayong tres. Op. Teka muna. May foul sa ilalim. It will be against Santa Rita. And Santa Rita now already entered the team penalty situation with 14 fouls. Or they are now on 15 fouls. Oh. So, good news ito sa Arayat. Wala pa silang foul pero yung kanilang katunggali ay penalty na. Alright, 2 free throws para sa Arayat. Pasok yan. Short. Lane violation. .327 in the first half. Banyala. Spread out offense para sa Santa Rita. 3 kung pumasok, wala. Nakuha pa rin ng Santa Rita. Inside incursion. May foul. Laban kay Rodriguez. Two free throws. Pumasok yung una. Wala. (38-32). Ay, nagpapabati yung Pedroso family. Her daughter, Charm Pedroso, just wed. And best wishes, congratulations to the Pedroso clan. 38-32, 3 minutes and 22 seconds sa ating first half of action. Three and 17 remaining in this ball game. From the corner, 3-point shot. Wala. Fast break. Ito na ang Arayat. Ay, bitin. Putback. Ayaw pa rin. But Santa Rita always not taking care of that basketball well enough. That's 3 straight misses from point blank range off the fast break para sa Arayat. Pero walang problema dahil Santa Rita also on the good stead coming up with those turnovers. Again, an update for Miss Universe. Nanalo po si Miss Nicaragua Shenis Palacios sa El Salvador. So the Latin American countries are now in mayhem with that victory by Shenis Palacios, Miss Universe 2023. Hosted by Steve Harvey. Okay, balik tayo sa laro. Layup, wala pa rin para sa Arayat. The score is unchanged at 38-32 for about a minute and a half now. Libre sa 3. Umalog palabas. Finally, a 3-point play. Well, that's how sour the output of Arayat. They have been scoreless for almost 2 minutes until that basket by Buwan. Okay. 3-point play opportunity. Nope. And Arayat has it. 2 minutes remaining in the first half. And a layup. Missed para sa Arayat. Steal. Canlas runs out of space. At papasok yung play sa Santa Rita. That's Bernarte. Only contributed 3 points. Biglang nanahimik after that the basket early in the first quarter. Let's see if Bernardo can explode. Yes, sir. It's only the second triple by Bernardo in this game. Takbo kagad ng Santa Rita. Nice catch. Or Arayat rather. And Santa Rita with a steal. There's like a triangle offense between those three players, pero another turnover by Santa Rita. Approaching 1 minute in this first half. The lob. 10 seconds on the shot clock for Arayat. Thought about the three. Crossover. The runner. It's good. Nice shot by Balusong. Oy, libreng-libre sa tres. They almost make them pay for it. Final 40 seconds before we end this first half. Here's a drop pass. 38 ticks. Corner flip, 3. Wala. Half a minute to go. Almost a basket, but he will take 2 shots anyway. All right, we have a timeout by Arayat. The score is 40-37 with 24.3 seconds to go in the second quarter. .3 seconds remaining before we call this 11-time break. At United Kapanapon, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon mga kabalin. Ryan para muli para sa Delta Cup 2023. We're already in game 3 of 6 and we will still have 3 more games remaining at the end of this Sunday afternoon sa Pampanga. After this, we'll bring you some halftime highlights and, of course, the leading scores for both squads. We are down to the final 15 seconds. The turnaround. Nope. 10 seconds to go. Still on the backcourt is Santa Rita. They got a steal. 5 seconds remaining. 3-point shot on its way. Failure. 2 seconds to go. The ball goes out of bounds. Isang segundo na lang ang natitira. 1 second. Okay, tatawag ng timeout ng Santa Rita. We'll be right back. One second remaining. Catch and shoot situation. Here it comes. Tira kagad. Here it comes. Half court shot. Halftime score 40. Arayat. CalOGURAN Santa Rita 37. From this halftime, we will show you some highlights and we'll also show you the leading scores. Magbabalik po ang Delta Cup. Alright, we'll first show you the highlights of this first half. Ayan, nakita natin yung running shot Okay, ginamit ng screen. Ganda naman ng bitaw ni Dalusong. These are some, but we will show you some other highlights as we move into our halftime recess. That's the score. We'll be right back for Delta Cup. Welcome po sa ating halftime break. Yeah, the score natin is 40-37. Arayat ay lamang ng tatlo as we take a look at this first half highlights. Nicely done basket there by Canlas. Depsido, ayun yung pinakamagandang tira dyan ng Santa Rita. And nice scoop shot. And we have a 100 shot there by Santa Rita. Some of the highlights, we have another one. Ayun yung kanina yung off the screen fade away. Balusong is one of the top scorers for Arayat. As we take a look at his scores, he has 8. Kasama din dyan si Marcelo. 8 points, Pare with 7. For Caloguran Santa Rita, Bernarte leading the way with 9. So nagkamali pala ako. 3 3-point shots. All of them 3-point shots for Bernarte. Manyalak with 7 and 4 with 1. That's our halftime recess. In just a few moments, we'll bring in the second half. But nagpapabati nga pala si Governor Delta Pineda. Gov Delta, of course, sent congratulations to the proud Kabalen. They just finished the Miss Universe for Miss Michelle Marquesti, who landed number 7 on the top 10. And of course, Michelle Marquesti is a pride of Mabalacat City, Pampanga. Congratulations po, kahit paano, di man tayo pinala sa Miss Universe. Governor Delta is proud of this woman. We'll be right back for the Delta Cup after these reminders. Okay, we're moments away to start the second half of basketball action dito sa Delta Cup here in Pampanga. At reviewin natin yung mga 5 on the floor para sa Arayat, number 5, number 8, number 19, number 5, and number 15 respectively. For Santa Rita, number 1, number 25, number 2, and number 13. Umpisa na po tayo ng ating third quarter. 3-point shot, won't bite para sa Arayat. "24 seconds gone by into this third quarter." Wala pa rin na-score kahit papalo sa magkabilang kupunan. And a basket for Arayat. 5-point lead for Arayat. Jumper won't work para sa Santa Rita. Manyalak all day to shoot. Bitin. Oh, nagkaagawan ng konti. Here's the driving play. Oh, nice move there by Gilas. Nagpakitang Gilas sa kanyang side step. And the lead is 3 para sa Arayat, 42-39. A minute and 11 gone by. Oh, magandang sapal. Pero may foul. What a shot block there by the guard of Santa Rita. Ocampo showing his defensive prowess with that nerve-shattering shot block. Wala na ngayon Santa Rita. They're only trailing by a basket, 3 points, separating this ball class. Malyalang on the right wing. Time remaining is 8:32. Shot clock at 14 seconds. And a bucket again. Oh! Mukhang siya ang inatawagan ng traveling. 42-41. The lead is a point. Again, live na live po tayo sa Pampanga Information Office and also Sinagliga Asia. Okay, pabati tayo dito sa ating live stream. We have Irene Riazo Manabat, Reynaldo Calixto, pa-shoutout naman po from BJMP. Aba, James Management and Pinology, nanonood sila ngayon. Oy! 3-point shot, pumasok na naman for Santa Rita. Jersey number 25 ang nakapasok niyan. Pressing defense by Santa Rita. No soak. Rebound controlled by Santa Rita. They're now up by 2 at this point of the ball game. 7:35 remaining. Here's a driving play. Merong foul na tinawag si referee Egay Patawag. That's foul on number 15. That's Balusong. That's only his second personal foul. O sabi ni Liz Santos. O Gerard Simbulan nagpapashoutout din kay Consi Joy de la Cruz, Kagawad 1 ng Poblasyon Arayat. And of course, Ain Jard Bondok. Hang time move. Uy! Ang kanyang spin move may foul sa ilalim. And the foul, it's number 1. Sabi ni referee Michael Galotera. Number 1 of Arayat. Ayun, sumabit. Kitang-kita sa ating replay. Score natin is 42-44. 43-44. 7:15 remaining in the balance. Third quarter action. It's a 1-point lead for Caloguran Santa Rita. Another miss there by Santa Rita. Ito nakakabalik ng Arayat. They just need a basket to grab the upper hand. Canlas on the right wing. Here's the drive. Maganda depensa dito ang Santa Rita. Man to man. 3-point shot. Wala. Canlas gets the offensive rebound. Fresh shot clock. Fresh 14. The leading scorer of Arayat now has the basketball. Shot clock winding down at 8. Down to 6, down to 5. He drives on it. Ooh, he draws a foul. Sabi ni Christian Dairit Oronce, pa-shoutout po, King 1 from Arayat. The Lusong will shoot 2 free throws. Missed. First free throw ni Dalusong. Both teams have 2 team fouls apiece. Split. And time substitution para sa Arayat. Marcelo babalik sa laro. 6:41 remaining sa ating third quarter. We are tied at 44. 44. Wow. Ocampo nagipit. The cut. There's a swipe. Will stay with the black shirts of Santa Rita. Sabi ni Christian Basas, pabati po, happy birthday, Prince Santos. Inbound. Jumper. Kila scores. Sabi ni Marlon Gutan, uy, pasyata po kay Boss Tantan ng San Nicolas Arayat. 46-44. 6:17 remaining the third quarter. Now the press is on for Santa Rita. They're pressing the ball carrier. He stumbled upon Marcelo Nalapa. And Marcelo was called for traveling. 46-44. 6:09 remaining. Santa Rita now. with a 2-point edge. Closely fought contest in this halfway point of our broadcast. Game 3 of 6. Jumper. Malakas. At sabi ng Arayat, daan-daan muna tayo. Let's slow down. Pare will bring up the letter slowly but surely. Here's a crossover by Pare. Blows by 2 defenders. He scores. What a move by Pare. Kumpare ko yan. Woo! Sabi ni Uncle Drew Luna, pa-shoutout kay taga Malusak sa Smua. At si Gilas, nung sa kanyang crossover, pinituan siya ng referee at tinawag ng traveling. Pare will slow down the tempo for the white shirts. We are dead even at 46. That's our 5th deadlock. Drop inside. Outside jumper. Ayaw. Rebound. Santa Rita. Manyan access. Let's slow down. But he's on the trail. Oh, binangga. May foul. No basket. No basket. There's a foul before that. Sabi ni referee Galotera, foul on Dalusong. Sabi ni Scantel Renz Balatbat Santos, pa-shoutout kay Michael Pare. Sabi ni Jonathan Rivera Kiamba, pa-shoutout si Boss Russell Morales. Sabi ni Chantal Renz Balatbat Santos, ayun, meron siyang pabate. Sabi ni Luis Enrico Manabat, pa-shoutout. Kanina nakita niyo yung instant replay on that last attempt. In the meantime, ball possession for Santa Rita. We're dead even at 46. Ocampo with just not much time on the shot clock. It reads only 5. They need to put it up. Here it comes. Alley-oop to Cuenco. Ay, bitin. With only 1 on the shot clock. Sayang. Talapas. Nabitawan ng bola. Sabi ni Agent Bondog, Niman Mamalayong o Dave de Ala. Sabi Edlen On. Shoutout from Talapayong Arayat. One possession now for Arayat. 3-point bomb. No explosion. Battle for the rebound. Nakuha ni Gina. Binatong bola. Great catch by Gilas. Safety there as far as the Santa Rita is concerned. Crossover. Triple team. Nowhere to pass. Sabi ni Jordan Rivera Kimbao. Pa-shoutout kay Boss Patrick. Shoutout, sabi naman ni Johnson Martin Suba. Shoutout po kay Edison De Pero na Wembeniana ng Arayat. Sabi ni Chantel Renz Balabas Santos Manyaman ni King Telos Special Authentic Sisig. At nagpapabati rin si Albert. Boss, shoutout kay Kiana at Kial Medina ng Poblasyon Arayat, Pampanga. 4:17 remaining in the third quarter. It's a time game of 46. Coming to you from the Renzi Convention Center Arayat at Panapon. Kaya kayo mga kabalen. Ako po si Ryan Paro. May nadapa na naman. And the ball goes out of bounds. Babalik ang bola Santa Rita. Sabi naman ni Benjo Galang, shoutout kay Romeo Castro. 4 minutes remaining in this third period. Keep your messages coming. I'll try to read this as fast as I can. Here it comes, Santa Rita. Low post play, the spin move, almost taken away. Ito, tumira ng jumper, bitin, battle for the rebound, nakuha pa rin ni Bernarte. One of the top scorers for Santa Rita. Kinuyo ng depensa. Meron tayong jump ball. Possession hour pointed to Santa Rita. And let's see how much the shot clock is. It is 8 seconds. Let's see that replay once again. There is a mad scramble for the leader. Look at them. They're diving like there's no tomorrow. Ito na, inbound for Santa Rita. Bernate with 5 to shoot. Here's Ocampo, drops it up. 2 on the shot clock. Are they aware of the clock? No, it's a dribbling violation. Sabi ni John Rivera Kiambao, pa-shoutout. Sabi ni John Ryan Velasquez Kayanan, pa-shoutout po kay Jeric Palaksalak, Mapangyani. Rax Kanglas, shoutout po kay Harold Canlas. Now, the ball goes on to Arayat. And Santa Rita is pressing, but that's too much. It's a foul against Gilas. Sabi ni Van Zendrick Malyares, shoutout kay John Paul Santos from Arayat. Here it comes, Santa Rita in the defensive end. Arayat on the possession. Gina, tough luck, can't make it. All the point blank range shot. He tries it again. Double team, ball almost stolen. Shot clock winding down. It's about 3 seconds. Jumper, wala. It's a foul against Arayat. Sabi ni John Malyares, shoutout kay John Paul Santos from Arayat. Sabi ni Tom Ross, pa-shoutout po kay from New Zealand, Tom and Jason and Juan. Shoutout din si Cyron Batak. Ball and live play now. Santa Rita with the tied ball game at 46. Shot clock 1:13 on the outside. Here it comes. 3-point shot. Bitin. Takbo na ngayon ng Arayat. Pero nabitawan niya ng bola. Counter steal there by Santa Rita. Look at this guy. Oh! Great block by Gina. This guy can reject the shot at any time in the game. Oh, sabi ni Brian Valencia, pa-shoutout kay Bernate from Santa Rita. Sabi ni Van Dijk Malali, shoutout kay Mark Brian Pablo from Arayat. Just keep on coming and try to read this as much as I can, like I said. Sabi ni Bayan Layog, shoutout po kay Choi Layog. Ball possession will stay. 46 all is the count. 2:25 remaining in the third. Here's the play by Arayat. Jumper won't go. Nakuha ngayon ng Santa Rita. Tumatakbo sila ngayon. Chance to take the lead once again. Gilas on the trail. Lays it in. Sabi ni Archad Bondog, Gold Daddy Gina. 2-point lead for Caloguran Santa Rita. Natatanda ko yung kanta ni Old Jod Galolo na nakadaka. Salamat ka. Oh! He blew the layup. Oh, Buwan missed the layup. Buti na lang nandun yung teammate niya si De Bernate to clean it up. Top scoring for Santa Rita with 14 points. Timeout by Arayat. Alright, before we resume the basketball action, nagpapabati from New Zealand si Raymond Ahmad. Sabi ni Christian Darit Olonce, pa-shoutout po Nenels Sakulabi ng Arayat. Sabi ni Tyler Arim Luciana, pa-shoutout kay Joel Batak. At of course, si John Vincent Mariano, shoutout. At si Benag Flandel. Alright, we have a foul. Laban sa Arayat. That will be penalty situation. That's... Let's see that replay again. Ay, hindi natin nakita. Sampang will shoot 2 feet. Correction, it's not a riot. It's a foul from Santa Rita, ha? Eto, tingnan natin to. From the backcourt. Ayun. Tinuyog ni Bernate. Foul on Bernate, ha? Putback. It's a putback. And Arayat just within 49-50. 1 minute and 47 remaining sa ating third quarter. Sabi ni Dorothy Manlase, pa-shoutout po kay Trixie Shivuli. Jumper by Ocampo, rims it out. Nakuha ng Santa Rita ang bola. Here's Ocampo, almost lost. Nakuha pa rin. Cross-court pass to Gilas. Gilas shopping around. Shot clock, 1:15. Here's the drive-in play. Lays it in. No, sabi ni J.R. Blanca Rivera, shortcut, Balen from Santa Rita, Pampanga. 49-52. And Santa Rita ahead by 3. Another foul given up. So back-to-back fouls on Bernate. That's his third personal. So kailangan mag-ingat dito ang top scorer ng Santa Rita. 3 na fouls ni Bernate. Oh, shoutout po kay German Ravgay. Sabi ni Kristen Jacob Pulure as we take a look at this last foul by Bernate as we see that on the slow-mo replay. Sampang will shoot again for 2 free throws. The lead is 3 for Santa Rita. Sampang misses. 2 players not on the floor, no call. Ito na, atake mo rin ang Santa Rita. They don't have numbers. Here's the attack by Ventura. That's only the second field goal by Ventura. 54-39. May banggaan special doon. Buwan will be called for another foul, another penalty situation in effect. Sabi ni Dorito Santiago pa, shoutout from Saudi Arabia. Sabi ni Dorothy Manlase, shoutout po kay Janiela Bangi. And Arthur Mendoza, shoutout ka from Australia. Team ball makes the first. Let's take a look at this last. Ayun, kitang-kita yung blocking foul ni Buwan. And Buwan will be called for his third personal foul. Sabi ni Johnson Martin Supa, pa-shoutout po kay Bernard Pelayo ng Russia. And ayoko nang banggitin. It's prohibited. Anyway, 54-50. For a foul si Gian. And that's only the 14th foul for Arayat. So that's the last allowable foul to give. July Simbulat says, sana sumambut na ni Arayat. Amir Shami Bauta, happy birthday kay Julio Pascual. Gilas baseline. May foul. Take a look at this last slow-mo replay in that foul. So that will be penalty situations. Medyo mahaba direct ang ating third quarter. Ang daming fouls. It's going to be a long third quarter, but only 48 seconds left before we end it. Sabi ni Hernan Machas, Bashato kay Lino Ramos from Magalang. Ayun. First free throw is good for Gilas. Second free throw, wala. Lane violation. It goes back to Arayat. The lead is 4 for Santa Rita. Sampang brings it downtown for the White shirt. There's some pressure from the backcourt, and Ventura just throws it away. Tap out. Babalik sa Arayat ang bola. Shot clock will be at 16 seconds. Sampang looking at the clock. Shot clock reads now 10 seconds. Here's the move. Bottle up. Still with the letter. Kakagulo sila. Ball will stay. How many seconds on the shot clock? It's about 2 seconds. Let's see that again in slow-mo replay. So, hindi pa pala 2 seconds. Mga 5 seconds pa pala. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Hindi natin makita dito sa side na to eh. Yeah. About 5 seconds on the shot clock. Here it comes. Not much time on the shot clock. 1 second. Block! And a possession for Santa Rita. Can't control it. 19 seconds. Here's Timbol. No. There's Clemente. 13 seconds to play. Santa Rita on a fast break. Clemente scores. 8 seconds remaining. 57-51. Here's Sampang. Drives. 2 seconds to go. Timbol lets it fly. No. And that should do it. Caloguran Santa Rita 57. Arayat 51. As we take a look, some of the third quarter highlights for this quarter. Let's show it. Driving play. Goes bucket. Para sa Arayat, and for Santa Rita, fast break finish. And we have another one. Bernarte, coast to coast. Fourth quarter coming up. Magbabalik ang Delta Cup. Mga kapatid, we're moments away to start this fourth quarter basketball action. The lead is 6 for Caloguran. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Parro, doing the call. Game 3 of 6 ng ating Delta Cup. At standby lang po for next week for some announcements kung magkakaroon tayo ng Delta Cup for this weekend. Because we will give way for the national finals of the Pampanga national team. Alright, naka-ready na ang Florida Blanca for the next game. Fourth quarter action is underway. Let's review the lineups. We have Buwan. We have Ocampo, Gilas, We have number 32 and number 8. Meron na naman tayong game clock malfunction. And for Arayat, we have Rodriguez, Pare, who scored the last 2 baskets. Manalang, we also have number 9 and number 14 respectively. Importante dito makaagwas ang Santa Rita because they're coming from a loss. And it looks like Santa Rita is in good stead because of their pressing defense and a lot of transition points. So mamaya i-monitor natin yung final score. Kanina let's review natin yung mga scores. Yung first game natin nanalo ang Mabalacat laban sa Mexico, 64-54. We'll check the final scores yung second game, yung Guagua at Masantol. Nanalo ang Guagua. As our technicians are on our game officials now, they're just gonna reset this. Ulitin lang natin yung fourth quarter. All right. Fourth quarter is now underway. It's now official. Ito na. Bola po ngayon ng Santa Rita. 5-corner offense. Pick provided by Buwan. Is the shot by Bernate. Good. Bernate has been smoking in the second half. Another steal. There's no foul, and Ocampo finishes. 4 straight points for Santa Rita in the press is on. 61-51. Another steal. Can this be a 6-point cluster? Yes, sir! Santa Rita is on fire. 6 unanswered points. Timeout by Arayat, but we'll take a look at this highlight that captured a 6-0 run by Caluguran Santa Rita. Para mapapakanta ko na, Caluguran taka. Kainin na mga kabalin. Finish. Momentum. Santa Rita is on the verge of it. And we will be back after this timeout. All right. Napakaraming sports na nangyari sa hindi lamang sa Pilipinas, sa ibang bansa. At ngayon din, nagkaroon ng beauty pageant. Kanina rin, ongoing din yung Formula 1 Grand Prix. Mahilig din ang aking AirPods. Ang naging announcer doon, si Bruce Buffer, kapatid ni Michael Buffer. Eto, missed shot there by Arayat. Put back. Rodriguez. It rims out. Third effort, in vain. Fourth effort. Lost it. Oh, Arayat has 4 chances, but they blew it. 63-51, Caluguran Santa Rita now on a double-digit spread. Gilas at low post. Oy, Gilas. Siya ikalimang player na tinawagan ng traveling. Eto, si Canlas. Sidestep. Block! 2 men rejecting that shot. That's Buwan and the jersey number 32 of Santa Rita. Inbound. Canlas from the baseline. 3-point shot on its way. Ayaw. Crossover. Pare can't score. Clearly the momentum on the side of Caluguran Arayat at this juncture. (63-51). Shot clock winding down at 12. The Black Shirts now on the momentum. Narito si Ocampo. Siya magda-drive. There's a double T. Kick out. Ito na naman si Bernante. Almost made the basket. Buwan is on the right place at the right time for that take back. Oh boy. 3 or 4 players for Santa Rita collaborating each other as far as the point production is concerned. And on the other hand, Arayat's this array on offense lead to the sprung of turnovers. All right, we have some changes in the lineup for Arayat. Pare, Manalang, and the number 14 player will rest to cool their heels, and hopefully at the end of this ballgame they'll be back on track. 65-51, Santa Rita will comfortably be ahead by 14 on combo on the right wing. That's pick provided by one. Quick shot by Gilas. Oh boy. Great shooting, great teamwork by Santa Rita. They break the press. Still can't score. Oh, look at that. Wow, may takip sa ring yung Santa Rita. Di may pasok yung tira. Ventura. Wriggles upon. Finds a combo. Wide open 3-point shot. Bang, bang, bang. Santa Rita Caloguran. Their fourth quarter imminent explosion has been nothing short of amazing. And Arayat slowly falling apart on the offensive rhythm. And even the touch, even the point blank range, they kept on missing. I can't believe it. Here's a basket that will break the silence of Arayat. That's the basket by number 8. 70-53 now, 17-point lead para sa Santa Rita. Let's see if they can hit fade to the disappointed pass. Bernate, one of the top scorers, he will drive. And Gilas picks the ball up. Shot clock winding down at 7. At ito na si Canlas with a steal. Canlas going breakthrough motion against Ventura. Challenges on the fast break, can't finish. Putback is there. Back to a 15-point lead for Santa Rita, 70-55. Time remaining 6 minutes and 22 in the final quarter. Ventura will slow down the tempo. Santa Rita will take a 3-point shot. Ventura confidently and nonchalantly takes the shot and makes it. 73-55. And Santa Rita's pressure is on. They can feel the momentum on their side. And despite the fact the possessions are at, you can see all 5 players oozing with confidence. Take a look at this in replay. Severe trap. Almost had a turnover. Dalusong. Off the mark. The pressure is on for Santa Rita. The spin move there by Gillen. Can't make it. Rebound control by the Blackshirts. And Bernate leading the way with another foul given up by Santa Rita. Or by Arayat. That's Gina. Bernate, the guard. And collaboration with this number 12 player. Gilas. But I'm going to give it to Bernate, who started it all. Ventura frontal assault to the basket. Almost paid up, but he will take a consolation prize of 2 free throws. Wow. It all started with Bernate's 2 triples. Let's see this Ventura's frontal assault to the basket. He was whacked by Gina, and he almost made that shot. Ventura sinks the first. 74-55. Sensya na kayo, di na ako makabate because we are concentrating who will be the best player of the ballgame for Santa Rita. But at least appreciate all your comments, all your shoutouts in the live stream for both PIO and Sinag Liga Asia. Arayat on a 22-point handicap. What a run by Caloguran Santa Rita. What a second half they played. And another foul given up by the black shirts. That's only the first team foul on Santa Rita. Sampang on the right wing. Shot clock, a problem. Now at 7 seconds. Here's a 3-point shot on its way. Failure. Reverse. Still didn't get it. And Gilas on the fast break. Bernate has it. Spin move. Bernate is gone! Oh, he blew it. He blew it. I spoke too soon. But anyway, Ocampo with another heist. Ocampo double team. Ball strip away. Sambang. Inside incursion. Radosal put back. He gets it. (77-57). The lead is 20. Time down to 4 minutes and 23 remaining. Almost a Multan academic now that Santa Rita will get this very, very big victory of theirs. Shot clock at 10. Baseline drive. Bernate drops it up. Gilas almost lost it. 4 to shoot. Ventura knows the clock. Ventura drives. Foul. And it looks like we can safely say at this point for Santa Rita that this game for Santa Rita is in the refrigerator. Take a look at this. Driving play Ventura. He makes a foul. This game for Santa Rita is now in the refrigerator. The door is closed. The heads are cooling. The ball is getting hard. The jello's jiggling. It's very hard to choose the best player. Let me select from these three. These are the candidates that I'm trying to point at. One is Gilas. One is Ventura. And the other one is Bernarte. So in a minute, I'll choose who amongst three is most deserving. Alley play. Pitch. Bernarte. Okay, it's very clear who is the best player. .335 remaining in this ball game. It's now a win for Santa Rita. Wala ng oras. And it seems like Arayat's comeback aspirations has been going down the drain. 3-point shot. Wala. Rebound. Not tapik. Ventura. Blanca will stay with the black shirts of Santa Rita. Inbound. Bernate quickly receives it. Now to Ventura. The runner. Nope. Rebound. And last zip pass. Bernate. He's the safety guy and he's the go-to guy and he is also the glue guy. Why Santa Rita outburst from a 30-plus point scoring reach in the second half. Alley-oop to Ventura. Ooh, muntikan. Inside pass, that's a gimme. Kan last scores. .20 lead, 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Bernate will just chew up the clock. This is really a one-ball game for Santa Rita. And I personally congratulate these men for a valiant effort they put up in between the middle of the third quarter and the fourth quarter. That's the decisive one that they have. And they pulled away just like that. We have a timeout on the floor. We'll be right back. (81-61). I just had a short chat with our commissioner Leo Sang. Throwing back to 1995. Where Alaska wins by a headline, but look at that. Another pass. Oh, wow. And that hit the shot clock. That takes the cake. That takes the cake. out of Arayat. That's the performance that they have, and we are about to venture into the last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes brought to you by Molten, the official ball of Delta Cup. So, in just a few moments, we'll interview our best player of the ball game. And my choice will be Bernarte because apart from scoring, he's the one defending and he's issuing brilliant assists to Ventura and Gilas respectively. These are the top 3 scorers so far for Arayat. Alley-oop to Gilas. Oh! Now they can showboat. Huh? They can afford to do that. And the lead is back to 20 and it's already out of reach. The time remaining is not on their side. A minute and 39. Okay. Okay, we have a problem on what? Shot clock? Oh, sige. Kumukurap-kurap daw ang shot clock. Okay, 12 seconds na lamang sa shot clock. Play continues. Down to 5 seconds. Ventura makes his move. Tumama sa ring on that layup. Missed. Sampang. Fall away. Ayaw talaga. Oh, nice putback. The lead is down to 18, 83-65. 1 minute remaining in this ball game. So they're just going to chew up the clock. This is already a 1 game for Santa Rita, Pampanga. This guy, I'll interview that later. I'll ask some very, very intervening questions. As you can see, Gilas with that brilliant layup. So that ano ko sa utak niya yung kanyang paano niya na-come up yung whole game brilliant performance. Alright, this game is on ice. Santa Rita wins this game. 20 points. Tira na lang to ng 3. Okay. Isa pa daw. Nagkahiyaan na. That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, the final score, 65 points for Arayat and 85 points for the win, Santa Rita, Pampanga. In just a moment, we're going to interview our best player of the ball game, which is this guy, Bernarte, who played brilliantly from the first half, offensively, and for the second half, defensively. Stay tuned. Final score, 85-65, Santa Rita.
Mic test nga, mic. Hello. Hello, how are you? Hello. Mic test. Hello.
Sound check. A masterful dominating win by Santa Rita, 85-65. Of course, si Ivan Bernarte, ang ating best player of the ball game. Maganda ang performance mo offensively sa first half, but on the second half, gumanda ang depensa mo, you make the other teammates better. Paano mo nakuha yung ganyang lakas nung sa second half, lalo na nung nag-break away kayo sa fourth quarter?
Sinabi po ng mga coaches namin na dumipensa po kami ng maayos dahil galing po kami sa losing streak at kailangan po naming manalo dahil po gagaling po kami sa losing streak.
Ngayon, going from that win at makakalaban niyo yung mga tough teams like yung Porac, San Fernando, and even Lubao. Paano mo pa ma-improve yung game para talagang mas competitive yung mga kalaban, yung mga powerhouse teams?
Siguro po improve ako sa defense po at sa teamwork. At yun lang po.
Ivan, dahil ikaw ang best player of the ball game, ay ng mga kapampangan nyo sa inyong bahay Santa Rita, pwede ka na bumati at magpasalamat.
Unang-una po nagpapasalamat po ako sa taas. Binigyan po itong unang pagkakataong ng best player at nagpapasalamat po ako sa konsyal namin kay Boss Reynan Calo at sa mga coaches po namin at sa pamilya ko po, kay mama ko at papa ko at sa girlfriend ko po, shoutout po. At dun sa best friend ko po kay Roylan Pascual at yun lang po. Salamat po.
Congratulations, Ivan Pascual, ang ating best player of the ballgame. Coming up next, Florida Blanca versus Smuan. That ends our first half of our broadcast. Stay tuned for more Delta Cup.